Hello everybody, it's me Danae, and today I wanted to talk about some of my favorite natural hair products that I actually use on my hair. But I wanted to say first off that I'm not a stylist, so you want to make sure you consult your own stylist about the things you should be using in your hair, because whatever you use, stylists know it's based on like the climate, the style that you want to achieve, and many other factors. So yeah, with that in mind, I'm going to get started on some of my favorite products. Number one is one I actually don't have with me right now, but it is Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic? Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. And I put that as number one because it was, when I was following these stylists on an app, it was like one of the number one gels that they recommended, especially for the climate that that stylist lived in, which was Chicago. She recommended that gel a lot because Chicago, if I remember, has very dry air, cool air, and using that gel could keep the moisture in your hair. But the only thing with that gel is you have to dilute it because it's super concentrated, and if you just put it in your hair as is, it's going to be like really goopy. So when it dries, so. Yeah, that's why I put that one as number one. So yeah, and let's see here. Number two is actually this Camille Rose Curl Maker. I love this stuff a lot. This isn't like a gel, it's like more of a jelly. It's a defining jelly. So this stuff doesn't give you great hold like some other gels that I know. It's a jelly, so it will define your hair and give you some hold, but it won't give you like a strong cast, especially if you use it with the leave-in. The leave-in is it smells really good, but it smells like Play-Doh for some reason, but like, yeah. But this stuff is really good. I really like it. If you can afford it, I would go for it, but if you can't, I'm going to actually name some more stuff down here, so yeah, this stuff is really good. What can I say about it? It has marshmallow root, for beautifully defined and soft curls, layer Curl Maker on top of Curl Love, the Moisture Milk. So the leave-in for this gel is called Moisture Milk. Curl Love Moisture Milk. The third thing I want to mention is, I mean, I know they got canceled, but like this stuff is still good. It's called, I hope I don't have to stop using them because they canceled. This stuff is called Miel, Pomegranate, and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard. God damn, I can't pronounce these words today. Coil Sculpting Custard. It enhances curls with deep definition for thick, curly type 4 hair. And I actually used this on my hair this time. So this is what my hair looks like. Does it look like super defined? It looks kind of fluffy, right? So what I did with my hair in this look, I actually stretched my roots with my blow dryer, which I rarely do, but I just kind of got the feeling of doing it, and so I kind of stretched it out. So what I do when I do that is, I'm going to do a tutorial on that, but what I do is I just section it, take a section like this, and then blow dry it at the roots only. And I put water on it a little bit, just to break those hydrogen bonds a little bit, and get it to reform. So, you know, get my hair, because once it's dry, it's set, right? But when you wet it, it breaks those bonds so that it can reform in the shape you want it in. So I would just do that. And that's how I got this style. Do y'all like this? I don't know. Or do y'all want to see like a tutorial on this or something? I don't know. But yeah, so, you know, the products you use are really based on the look you want to achieve. You know, your climate, is it like super humid, is it like really dry, but yeah, so, and many more factors other than that. So yeah, I like this, but I know they're canceled, but like, do I really gotta stop using it? It has like oils and stuff, and like seed butter and avocado oils, and of like just slathering it on and like not washing your hair and all that. So if you're gonna use something like this, make sure you're washing your hair. Don't just like, I don't know, like just only water wash, or like only condition wash, or like something like that. I don't know. if you use a lot of oils, wash your hair. Wash your hair. Okay. Okay. I make sure mine is washed. Okay. All right. So the next product that I like, I haven't used this in a long time, but it's the Carol's Daughter Coil Enhancing Cocoa Moisture and Butter Cream. Cocoa cream. Intense moisture. But I mean, the first product is, yep, it's water. Okay. And then beeswax and coconut oil and mango seed butter and all types of good stuff like that. But so really we use gels when we want that hard cast, right? Or we want a long lasting wash and go. You use like jellies when you want some of that definition, but you don't mind if it gets a little fluffy like over the days or whatever. And basically we use creams when we want a soft not that much cast or not that much hold on your hair. So I like to use this whenever I don't want like a hard cast on my hair, or if I'm feeling like I just want it to be just soft, like define. Like, don't get me wrong, like this stuff will still define your hair. Like if you have coils and you have curls in your hair, this will define those coils and curls, but it'll be much softer, if that makes sense. So it won't be like a hard cast that lasts like 2 weeks. It'll be softer and it'll get fluffier and fluffier over the days. But I like this for that style, just having a soft, fluffy, like, you know, airy, like, and it's like, yeah, I don't know how else to explain that. But and then this one I actually wasn't going to add on initially, but I kind of like it. It's Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Elongating Flaxseed Curling Gel. It's not bad. It's not one of my favorite gel. Well, this is okay. This stuff, it will elongate my hair, and I do notice that. Like my hair with this gel will be super, like, sometimes I don't even have to stretch it with this, to be honest with you, but it makes my hair like super crunchy though. So I don't know, one of my favorite girls, like one of my favorite natural hair girls on this channel uses this stuff. Like, it's her, like, her holy grail. Again, it depends on the finish that you want to achieve. And for me, the style I want to achieve, I don't know. I don't really do it with this. This stuff is okay. It's not bad. It's not as bad as Extreme Wetline Gel. Like, Extreme Wetline Gel is, no. This is like a step above the Extreme Wetline Gel. If you have to do the Extreme Wetline Gel, okay. But that's not one I would go to, so not anymore. Now that I like have learned like what are good gels, not anymore. But yeah. And then one that I have not used, but stylists that I followed, what they have told me was a really good one was using the Kinky Curly leave-in with the gel, or with the jelly. I have heard some good things about that, so I have not used it personally, but if you ever see that, I might actually try it out, to be honest. But I mean, I don't want to be I'm gonna be a product junkie if I go get that stuff. Like, I really am. I'm trying to use these products that I have now so I can like run out of them and like get them out of my bathroom. Like, I have so much product in my bathroom right now, it's ridiculous. So yeah, but if you asked me what is the one that I use the most, the one that I have used the most is this, along with the leave-in, which you don't need to use the leave-in. Leave-in is basically another styler, but this is the one that I've used the most, just because it smells good, it's nice, and I like the finish of it. I've gotten the most compliments out of all of the stuff I used. I've gotten the most compliments with this, but you know, But again, like I said, I used the Miel pomegranate and honey for this look that I did yesterday. I think, yeah, I did it yesterday, and it just dried this morning. So, yeah. I know it's canceled. Please don't cancel me. And yeah, I think that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video or found it interesting somewhat, and I will be leaving the YouTube or information of the stylists that I do follow down below in the description. So if you're interested in checking them out, you know, yeah, check them out. But like I said, yeah. So this was just made for fun. The products that I use, they might not necessarily work for you or the style that you want to achieve or your climate or wherever that you live. So yeah. Be on the lookout for another video. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do next. I might do my hair again. Oh yeah, this was just from like I just flat ironed it like several like probably like 8 times like over the other months. Like I need to record me flat ironing it. Would y'all like to see that? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, but I gotta go because my phone is about to die. So yeah, be on the lookout for another video, and make sure you subscribe if you like my content. All right, bye.